Hey guys, Paul here. Welcome back to the channel. So today I have a high quality premium floor mats for Tesla Model Y to share with you. This is the floor mats from Hello Black, and this is probably one of the highest quality floor mats for Tesla Model Y I have seen in the market so far. So in today's video, I'll show you what comes in the box. This is probably the first time I'm doing an open box for floor mats, because look at this really cool design box. And then we'll check out the quality and the design of the floor mats. After that, we'll try to fit it in my Tesla Model Y. I have 2023 Tesla Model Y long range with me today, and at the end I'll show you what they look like in my Tesla Model Y. Now let's go. Before I open it up, let's check out the box design real quick. I just want to show you, because if the brand cares and put a lot of thought into just the packaging outside, I'm pretty sure whatever on the inside, it's a high quality and well thought, well designed product. Really cool black and this turquoise green outside of the box. Let's open it up. As soon as I open it, I will see this really nice high quality cloth bag that's holding all the floor mats pieces together. You would see this kind of bag when you buy an expensive purse or women's purse with even a logo on the back too. In the box, it has this little envelope that say Hello Black. Let's open it up. Inside the envelope, you will find this cool Hello Black sticker and the tag. So this is the material of the floor mat itself. Also, really cool tag logo. This is probably aluminum, and the plastic in the back, but it will showcase. This basically showcasing the material that you use for this floor mat. Now let's open what's in the bag. So here what came in the bag. These are dual purpose floor mats. Let me show you a closer look. The reason why I said dual purpose, because the floor mat itself, on the bottom part, this is the TPE material, really recyclable friendly and high grip and really durable. This is the driver's side, and another piece. This is two pieces, by the way. On the top, it's carpet, really high quality durable carpet that can be removed. You can just pull it. They have this cool accents, black and teal tag in the back. You can just pull it and then remove the carpet material. And this is the actual floor mat underneath. Like I mentioned to you before, it's really high quality, premium, and really awesome design floor mat with aluminum tag with that logo on it. That's the same aluminum that I showed you earlier in the packaging. Really love the quality of the floor mat. The design too. I love all of their products that flows with their own design, really unique design from Hello Black. You can just put it back in with the tab, really simple to do, and then lock, bam. So in the summer, you can have this whole package, because you're less likely to have your wet shoes and go back to the car, or if you are planning to go somewhere that you'll get your shoes wet, or go to the beach or go hiking, then you can basically just remove the carpet out and then store in the back of your car, and you can just use all-weather floor mat underneath. It'll be really easy to clean. You can just take it out and wash it and then put it back in, and they're all the same design on the back here to show you the back passenger floor mats have this really high quality carpet on the top. It's really thick carpet, as you can see. Really good quality carpet that you can put on the top, and it can be removed anytime too. Really convenient. Love the design. Let me show you overall design of the floor mat. Love the design of these floor mats. So this is what they look like after you remove all the carpet on the top layer. They still have really cool design, continue even on the bottom part. So if you remove it, I will show this cool design underneath it. And yeah, they really thought of a lot of things on this floor mat. Let's check out the quality of the floor mats real quick. As I showed you before, with this tag that came in the package, see this really good texture that provides a lot of grip when you put your feet on. And on the bottom here also has this small little button grips, so when you place on the car with the carpet surface underneath, it will not move anywhere. Love the high quality with this. It's kind of a little thick form, so it has that cushion in between the top and the bottom layer, so when you put your feet on, it feels more comfortable. Really love this design and the material of the floor mat. Alright, I show you the material and the quality, also the design of the floor mat before I try to fit it in my Tesla Model Y. Let me show you how you can get these floor mats. You can get the floor mats from Hello Black or helloblk.com, and there are two different options here. You can get the one with carpet or the one without the carpet on the top. And there are also left-hand drive and right-hand drive version. So if you are interested, you can use my special discount code DADTC for extra 10% off right now. Let's go and try to fit it in my Tesla Model Y. Before I show you how the floor mats fit in my Tesla Model Y, let me show you a few accessories from Hello Black for Tesla Model Y and Model 3. Here they are. As you can see here, they are premium and high quality accessories. They continue that high quality throughout their product lines. Let's take a closer look. Let's check out this one first. This is the under seat tray for Tesla Model Y. So in the package came with two trays that you can put one on the passenger side and one on the driver's side. I'll show you later how they look in the car. And it has this really good quality silicone grip on the bottom that can be removed to wash. And then this one is an umbrella popped out front windshield sunshade. I never tested umbrella popped out windshield sunshade before. I will test it out and show you later. And this is a small trash can that you can put in the cup holder. Even came with the trash bag on the inside. Here it came with the roll of trash bag. Alright, let's test them out in the car. Let's check out the trash can first. So the trash can is perfectly fit to the cup holder. It's basically a cup size that you can fit both in the front and the rear too. And it has this small lid. You can open and close and put some more trash in here. And next is this storage compartment that you can store underneath the seat, both front passenger and the driver. This is the driver's side, and it perfectly fits this umbrella windshield sunshade from them too. Love the design. You can see all of their products has similar cool design that flows really well together. let's go check out the passenger side. Here's underneath, and the seat storage on the passenger side fits perfectly behind this one too. And as I mentioned before, it matches really well with everything else from their brand. All right, let me test fit windshield sunshade real quick. So you just open it. I never used this before, so I will try my best to be able to fit in. I believe you just kind of pop it open, the middle part, and then there you go. There you go. Well, it's a lot easier than I thought. As you can see here, it's dark inside because it blocks the sun really well. Really easy to use too. Check out outside of the car. There you go. It's really cool. As I mentioned before, all of their design continue within the product line. It's really awesome. All right, let me show you the fitment of the floor mats. As you can see, wow, it fits really well. When I was trying to fit it in, it's really snug, so it doesn't move anywhere. Let me show you around the corner. It's perfectly fit to the shape of the front front driver. Awesome fitment. There's no single gap. Maybe a tiny gaps right here. I don't even count this gap because I have this door seals protector, so this one couldn't go in, as you can see here. Otherwise it wouldn't create that gap. But yeah, this is probably the best fitment for the floor mat I ever tested. I have tested a few before, like 6 or 7 of them, but this one I love the fitment and the design. Look at that, looks really cool. Let's check out the passenger side. Same thing on the passenger side here. It fits really well. It's snug, really snug right in, no gap at all. And 0 gaps. Looks really good too. Wow. I thought it only provide like really cool design, but the fitment might not fit that well, but I was surprised, really surprised. All right, let's check out the back seats. Same goes here. Let's go on that side. As you can see here, even though I have some of the covers which make the area a little bit smaller, so it's tighter, but these floor mats still fit really well, as you can see here, because I have the cover right there, this cover right here, but it still fits perfectly well to the shape of the back seat right here. Wow, looks really cool too. This is the best looking floor mat I have seen so far. This is my honest opinions. You probably think so too. As you can see in the video, it's the best looking floor mat, hands down. And awesome quality too, really high quality. Alright, let me show you overall look of the floor mats in my Tesla Model Y. Last but not least, let's check out and test out the comfort of these floor mats. Wow, with the carpet, super comfortable. Can rest the feet on both sides while I'm on autopilot, and I can rest my left foot, as you can see here, on this pad right here, which is really comfortable. It has that a little cushion on the regular bottom material, the all-weather material on the bottom, but this carpet is really comfy. down here. And yeah, has a little grip. You see the grip pad right here? It's like a black area with a little more, a little darker pads. So it has that grip when you drive a car and your heel is down here. So it's more comfortable with that cushion on the bottom. Let's test it out without this carpet. So even without the carpet on the top, because of that foam-like material in between the top and the bottom layer, it still provides that comfort for you while you're using it. Rest your feet on the bottom or here or here. You see when you remove that carpet, you still have this special grip for you to rest your heel while you drive the car. As you can see in the video, the floor mats from Halo Black provides both really great design and high quality premium materials, which offers really comfort right in your car when you rest your feet on the floor mats, on all of them, both, you know, passenger driver seat and the passenger seat in the back too. Let me know in the comment down below what you think about these floor mats from Halo Black, and I'll make sure to put the link in the description down below too. Thank you so much guys for watching today's video. Make sure to click like if you liked the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more awesome contents like this. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.